Today's tree talk is centered around ornamental bush, popularly known as tall cigar plant. Cigar means cigarette. Why it is called as cigar plant? Because its flowers are tubular and they look like cigars. In fact, most popular plant seen in Mexico, Central America, is cigar flower, which is Cyphea ignea, and ignea means fiery, as it is dark red in color, and at the rim it has a white margin, and then purplish tinge. One gets a feeling as if it is a lighted cigar. So Cyphea ignea is the true cigar flower, but the plant which I am talking about and which stands introduced in the parks and gardens of Jammu city is tall cigar plant, Cyphea micropetala. Why micropetala? Micro means small, petala means petals. So the flower, which is tubular with reddish yellow, more reddish at the base, and it becomes gradually yellowish green toward the distal end. Flower look like cone, ice cream cone, or a candy like structure. So it is also known as candy corn plant or cigar plant. This belongs to Henna family, Litheraceae, to which our familiar Panchtara belongs. Panchtara, Legistremia indica, or Jarul Legistremia speciosa, we usually see planted in Jammu gardens. They are native to India, but Cyphea I am referring to is exotic to India. Basically, it is native to Central America, and these shrubs are ornamental and they are native to Mexico, but planted for their ornamental value. They attract hummingbirds, bumblebees, honeybees, and other insects. So they also contribute towards apiary or honey collection. Litheraceae family character, which we usually encounter in the flowers, is they are not pentamerous flowers, means flower pods are not in multiple of 5, but usually they are tetramerous or hexamerous, having the petal numbers 6 or 2. In case of Cyphea hysopifolia, which is also planted and seen in Jammu gardens, is having the purplish flowers with 6 petals. The leaves look like hyssop, that is Hyssopus officinalis, popularly known as tengu, which we usually see in the wilderness of Padar near Machel temple towards Sumcham. It grows in wild. It is also under cultivation in Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Sanat Nagar, Srinagar. As the leaves of this plant, Cyphea hysopifolia, they look like Hyssopus officinalis. So name of the species is Hysopifolia. And what is common to Cyphea flowers? Mostly Cyphea is a Greek word which means curved, humped. So if we look closely the flower of Cyphea micropetala, then that floral tube is a little bent, a little asymmetric, little curved. So that signifies the characteristic of genus Kyuphia. Leaves are larger towards the base of the plant and they become gradually smaller towards the ends of branchlets. The insertion usually seen is opposite. Leaves are lanceolate, lance-shaped with acute tip. It is evergreen bush which grows up to 1 meter tall. It is woody and the calyx tube is called hypanthium, and at the rim of the hypanthium are small sized minute petals, usually 6 in number. So the species name Micropetala. Whatever prominent floral structure, floral tube, that is the contribution from calyx. So petals are extremely insignificant, very minute. So this is the plant which is popularly known as candy corn plant or tall cigar plant belonging to the family Litheraceae. Another feature of a Litheraceae flower is the number of stamens. So this is usually double the number of petals, and usually the stamens are arranged in 2 series. They are arranged in 2 whorls. So if there are 6 petals, then 12 stamens. Carpels, polycarpellary but syncarpous, fused carpels. Kyuphia micropetala is also important economically, as its seed yield oil which is called as Kyuphia oil. This Kyuphia oil is also obtained from the seeds of many other species. For example, Kyuphia lanceolata, where we find large sized flowers. 2 petals are very large and 4 petals are of smaller size. Even other species seed also contain the oil content. Oil, they contain short chained triglycerides, and fatty acids are mostly oleic acid, capric acid, and they can be substituted for biodiesel. Even they are useful in the applications where we normally use the palm oil or the coconut oil. So it's a very good substitute against coconut oil. So it's commercial cultivation, and the seed oil extraction is very good economic activity apart from its ornamental value and the very important forage material, source of forage for honeybees, bumblebees, even the hummingbirds and flower peckers. Many butterflies, they also seek nectar. So it's a very good nectar plant for the butterflies. Tiger butterflies or cabbage butterflies or lime butterflies. As the plant is bushy in nature, it doesn't occupy much space. So it can be easily grown even in the earthen pots, and it is perennial in nature, and its flowering, abundant flowering, also adds charm and beauty to the garden. Kyuphia hysopifolia with blue purple flowers and Kyuphia micropetala with orange-yellow flowers. They are usually encountered in Jammu City Gardens, in the Botanical Garden, University of Jammu, Baghe-Bahu, and many other locations. The plant is important even medicinally, especially in its native habitat, Central America. The plant, which is Kyuphia hysopifolia with hyssop-like leaves, is basically called as Mexican heather or false heather. Actual heather or true heather belongs to another plant genus, that is Calluna, under Ericaceae. But this Kyuphia cigar flower belong to Henna Mehendi family, Lithraceae, to which our Legisterinia Panchataara belongs. And even the Trappa bispinosa, Singhada, water chestnut, which we usually encounter in the wetlands in Kashmir Valley, that also presently treated under the family Lithraceae. Previously that was under separate family Trappaceae. Even Soneratia, a tree seen in northeast, is a species treated under Lithraceae, Henna family. Even Punica granatum, pomegranate, which was earlier treated under separate family Punicaceae, is again a member of Lithraceae presently. So Lithraceae family is unique in having the tetramerous, hexamerous flowers, leaves usually opposite, as we find in Punica, as we find in Kyuphia micropetala, and number of petals is 6. And another feature which distinguishes the flowers of Kyuphia or Legisterinia is their crumpled petals when they are in bud stage. So inside the bud, the petals are crumpled, and even after the buds open, even after that, the petals look wrinkled. And for the same reason, the Legisterinia indica or Legisterinia speciosa stand named as crepe myrtle trees. They have very showy flowering and usually included in parks and gardens. But along with the trees of Legisterinia, we have the Kyuphia shrubs, adding charm and beauty to the gardens and also attracting many pollinators, bumblebees, honeybees, even birds, sunbirds, flower peckers. One of the most familiar bumblebee usually encountered on the flowers of Kyuphia micropetala is Bombus trifasciatus with bluish tinged wings, very fond of visiting the flowers of Kyuphia. So let us know the plants around us which stand introduced in the city parks and gardens. They do not belong to our geographical region. They are not native to Asia or India, but since they stand introduced and they have acclimatized to the local conditions and plants are thriving, these plants are used for understanding the variation in floral features, floral architecture, and understanding the evolutionary concepts. So whatever diversity is existing regarding the family Lithraceae in Jammu and Kashmir, we need to focus even on the lesser known but widely cultivated Kyuphia shrub.